Welcome to Animals That Steal on Purpose. Today, we uncover the cunning world of animal thieves.
From brazen bandits to stealthy pilferers, these creatures have mastered the art of taking what isn't theirs.
But is it truly stealing, or simply a matter of survival in the wild?
We explore the motivations, methods, and surprising intelligence behind their crimes.
Our journey begins with one of nature's most infamous opportunists, the raven.
Ravens, with their glossy black feathers, are not just scavengers. They are calculated thieves. They often follow larger predators, waiting for a chance to snatch a meal.
This isn't just about scavenging leftovers.
The raven, with its glossy black feathers, often steals directly from other animals' kills.
A bold move, requiring precise timing and quick reflexes.
Their intelligence allows them to anticipate and exploit opportunities.
Ravens even cache food, hiding it for later.
But they're also known to observe other ravens' hiding spots.
And then steal from them.
It's a complex world of avian espionage and pilfering.
Next, we turn our attention to the masked marauders of our neighborhoods, the raccoons.
The raccoon, with its striped tail and black mask, is an urban legend of larceny. Their dexterity and intelligence make them formidable adversaries for any locked bin.
No container is truly safe from their probing paws.
They often target campsites, bird feeders, and, of course, our garbage.
Their raids are a testament to their adaptability and sheer determination.
Raccoons learn quickly, remembering successful strategies for future endeavors.
These animals are not just hungry, they're problem solvers.
Their intelligence allows them to thrive in human environments, often at our expense.
Far from urban jungles, the Arctic fox faces a different kind of challenge.
The Arctic fox, with its thick white fur, is a master of survival in harsh conditions.
Food is scarce, making every opportunity to eat critically important.
They often follow polar bears, hoping to scavenge. But sometimes, a more direct approach is needed.
They will boldly steal from larger predators' caches or fresh kills.
A high-stakes gamble for a vital reward.
In this unforgiving environment, every calorie counts.
They also create their own caches, but, like ravens, they must guard against other thieves.
Other Arctic foxes are always on the lookout for an easy meal.
The cycle of theft continues, even among their own kind.
This constant vigilance showcases the cutthroat nature of survival.
From the Arctic's stark beauty, we move to a creature known for a different kind of theft.
The thieving magpie, with its iridescent blue-black feathers, has an infamous reputation.
They are drawn to shiny objects, often taking them for no apparent reason.
Is it curiosity, or are they collecting treasures?
For the thieving magpie, it's often not about value, but the irresistible gleam.
Their attraction to shiny objects is a fascinating trait, a form of kleptoparasitism.
But other animals steal with a very clear, often mischievous, intent.
Enter the long-tailed macaque, renowned for its brazen pilfering from unsuspecting humans.
With astonishing speed and precision, they target items of interest.
These primates display remarkable intelligence, often using stolen goods for trade or play.
Sometimes, it's pure curiosity that drives their thieving paws.
Other times, it's a calculated acquisition for food or resources.
But not all thieves operate in the wild. Some visit our homes.
The African gray parrot, known for its intelligence and mimicry, can also be a petty thief.
Drawn to shiny, metallic objects, they often disappear with small, valuable items.
Their motivations range from play to simply investigating novel objects in their environment.
Back to the urban opportunist, the raccoon, master of the midnight raid. Their dexterity allows them to bypass surprisingly complex obstacles for a tasty reward. Its hands are incredibly sensitive, allowing them to see with their touch.
This adaptability, combined with their cleverness, makes them formidable food foragers.
A successful heist. Another meal secured through cunning and stealth. Our final stop takes us to the water, where another clever creature awaits.
The North American river otter, an agile swimmer, sees opportunity in human fishing endeavors.
A quick, strategic grab, providing an easy meal without the hunt.
This is not malice, but pure opportunism, leveraging available resources for survival.
A testament to nature's ingenuity, always finding the path of least resistance.
From the magpie's shiny obsession to the otter's cunning catch.
Animal stealing is often a sophisticated display of intelligence, adaptability, and survival.
Silence.